Nut milk like a boss. No soaking, no mess, no fuss. Say goodbye to store-bought plant milk that's full of weird additives, watered-down flavors, and mystery ingredients. The IAGREEA automatic nut milk maker lets you whip up fresh, creamy, and preservative-free almond, oat, soy, and other plant-based milks in just minutes, zero soaking required. With its 10-blade high-speed blending system, this machine pulverizes nuts and grains into silky-smooth perfection. The 35-ounce capacity means you'll always have enough for your coffee, smoothies, or cereal, and thanks to the built-in heat preservation feature, your milk stays warm for up to 2 hours, no more chugging cold drinks, unless you want to. Unlike traditional nut milk making methods that require overnight soaking, multiple tools, and messy straining, this 8-in-1 digital touch machine does it all at the press of a button. With one-touch presets for almond milk, soy milk, oat milk, rice paste, shakes, and more, you can create barista-level dairy-free drinks without breaking a sweat. The delay start option lets you prep ingredients before bed and wake up to fresh nut milk ready to pour. Talk about life-changing convenience. It even boils water for tea lovers and makes fresh juice when you're craving something fruity. Hate scrubbing kitchen gadgets? Same. That's why this nut milk maker comes with a non-stick interior and a self-cleaning function that rinses itself in just 11 minutes. Simply add water, hit the cleaning mode, and boom, sparkling clean, no elbow grease needed. The ultra-durable build means this beauty is made to last, unlike cheap blenders that overheat and break after a few uses. Plus, no more buying expensive plant milk, this gadget pays for itself in no time. Designed for health-conscious foodies, vegans, lactose-intolerant folks, and anyone who just loves fresh, homemade goodness, this nut milk maker saves you time, money, and unnecessary trips to the grocery store. You get full control over flavors, sweetness, and consistency, no more settling for overpriced cartons that taste like watered-down disappointment. And with the included cleaning brush, measuring cup, and scrub sponge, you have everything you need to get started right out of the box. So why keep paying for store-bought nonsense when you can have fresh, rich, and creamy nut milk at home? Upgrade your kitchen game today. Click Add to Cart now and start sipping on pure, homemade perfection.